Your cheese has slid off your cracker. All kinds of weird shizzle has been normalised. You're down the rabbit hole. Conspiracy theories and delusional thinking abound. You're anxious all the time. You've been captured by the algorithms. You've been brainwashed from the control tower. The gods up on Mount Olympus are deciding our fate. Or perhaps it's more like Mordor and the all-seeing eye. And we have to travel to Mordor and stare down that eye. We need to climb that tower. Or maybe there's an app for that. Yes, there is an app for that. It's here on this phone. If I just select here, it looks like a vector equilibrium from maths. Or perhaps it's a tension diagram from information system architecture. Interesting. What if I move this around? There's a central balance point, the ball strung by elastic between those 6 anchor points. And I can manipulate the characteristics of the algorithms or this AI model by grabbing this and moving. That central point of equilibrium. The output from your AI model is a constant tug of war between multiple factors. User steering, reinforcement learning alignment, pre-trained priors, and temperature, which we've covered in a previous video. That's your semantic intent covered, but then there's engineering constraints too. So there's latency drag, your context decay, and your compute ceiling. So what happens when that tug of war collapses? Well, that's where we get jailbreaks, sycophancy, and hallucinations. Jailbreaking, that's where user prompt framing overpowers alignment vectors, taking us past safety boundaries. Sycophancy is where the model has been dragged so far from its pre-trained grounding by user intent, it's just agreeing with you the entire time. Hallucinations, well, they can happen when time constraints snap. The tug of war collapses before the reasoning chain has a chance to be verified. The performance and behaviour of your AI model and the algorithms that emerge are a consequence of balance, of a damped equilibrium, of a constant tug of war between competing factors. And the way we think is increasingly being influenced by these models. So maybe we need to get that ball and make sure we're moving it in the right directions. Let's ensure we're not moving it such that we're influencing some really poor behaviour in us.